Have you ever tried out a mechanical keyboard? Well, I haven't, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a mechanical keyboard from E-YOOSO, the Z13 in particular, and what it's all about and whether or not you may want to switch to a mechanical keyboard instead of a regular keyboard. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be pretty honest with you guys. I have never used a mechanical keyboard before, so this is brand new to me as to what the whole entire experience is going to be like. What I do know is that you can customize the switches to either be red or brown. I went with the red option, and it also is backlit. It's got a bunch of different functionalities. I'm assuming it allows you to type a lot faster than usual, and there we go. So this is the initial look of what the mechanical keyboard looks like. So as you can see here, you can actually swap out the space bar with this orange one if you'd want. So it's either gray or orange, it's up to you. Then they have this tool which I assume helps you take off the keys. Alright, so for this cord, you'd put in this USB type A cable right in here to this outlet right here. And then this part will go into your computer or whatever device it is that you're using to connect your keyboard to. Alright, so I'm going to plug this in real quick and then get back to you guys. I'm not gonna lie you guys, I'm geeking out a little bit because I never had a keyboard that actually lit up. So I know you don't need a mechanical keyboard to light up like this, but the fact that it's lighting up like this is pretty cool. And if I want to, they have these latches right here that can actually push out like that. And then it gives a little bit more height to type on it. Let's see real quick how fast this types when I type on it. Alright, let me type the same sentence out and we're gonna time it to see. So I'm gonna say, now I'm going to try to type it with the other keyboard. Now let's just do a comparison check if I can actually type faster, okay? Alright, let's try this. Okay. Definitely some typos, but I'm not gonna lie you guys, this is insane how fast you move these keys because there's just like, there's no resistance. It's kind of insane. I've never had something like this. Alright you guys, I just found out a feature that I was doing wrong for how to play around with the lighting for this keyboard. So I want to show you guys real quick. So instead of doing FN and trying to do these arrows right here, yes, you can do these arrows to increase and decrease the brightness of the actual keyboard. But another thing to keep in mind is if you want to mess with just the lighting overall for this keyboard, what you can do is hit FN and then this right arrow, and that's going to control the different lighting that you have for this entire keyboard. So if you see here, I hit it again, it's all lit up and just glowing like that. It's just like kind of like a pulse. This will focus on just the gaming keys. This is a little bit more of a motion kind of look and feel. This one's cool too, just how it fades in like that. This one goes all around the keyboard, which is really cool also. And then it just glows right here, which is pretty cool as well. That just starts to slowly light up everything. And then we go back to just it being completely lit up like so. Really cool feature. Really adds a nice touch to the overall usage of this keyboard. Alright, so if you guys did find this video helpful on reviewing this mechanical keyboard from E-YOOSO, the Z13, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. Without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.